You won't believe the secret ingredient I used to make this delicious low-carb strawberry. Okay, you realize it's a blueberry shortcake. Join me in the kitchen.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and take that 8x8 square pan and go ahead and spray it with your non-stick cooking spray. You can see that I'm using coconut spray, and if you've been following me for a while, you know I'm not the biggest fan of coconut oil because of the taste. I think coconut oil is wonderful. Taste-wise, not a fan. However, in the non-stick form, perfectly wonderful. I took the Keto and Company yellow cake mix. Y'all know I love this brand. I find it at my local drug emporium stores. If you do not have a drug emporium, I'm sorry, clutch the pearls, gas. Look at your local supermarkets to see if you can find it, because it really is a great brand. It is gluten-free. It has 1.8 grams of net carbs per serving, and everybody always asks, hey Shelly, what is this sweetened with? Erythritol and monk fruit. So I do prefer those sweeteners. The secret ingredient to make our strawberry shortcake strawberry is Zevia. Y'all, I love Zevia. So for me, again, huge drug emporium find, but of course, I've seen it at local supermarkets. I've seen it at Kroger, Albertsons, all those places. So go ahead and give a look. And yes, this is the strawberry flavor. And no, it's not pink because they don't like to put any kind of ickiness in their items. And of course, Zevia rhymes with stevia, so that is what it's made with. Now, here's the thing. I added a full can. Now, some of y'all are going to poo-poo me for this. I enjoy a cobbler style strawberry shortcake. When I went to visit my husband's family, they like that biscuit style. So if you want a really kind of biscuity, very kind of tough cake, please only use half a can. But if you're like me, and I kind of say it's because I'm from the South, I'm super duper Cajun, I use the whole can because give me that cobbler. In fact, give me that warm cobbler. Go ahead and comment cobbler in the comment section. Let's make the YouTube algorithm giggle if you are like me and love that cobbler. Notice, again, this is very important. I'm using a spatula, no blender, because if you use a blender, it would explode, and then I'm going to have to come and chase you down with my shoe. Smells really good, gang. It's, got a wonderful smell. And we pour our mix into our pan and go ahead and throw it into your oven. Now, again, important, if you use that whole can, we're going to cook it for a little longer, 50 to 55 minutes. If you use just that half a can of Zevia, 30 to 35. While our strawberry shortcake is cooking, we're going to make frosting. I do not like keto frostings. I haven't tried any that I like. Why? Because I get that aftertaste, and aftertaste gives me the barfs. I'm just, don't give it to me. It's gross. It's nasty. So we make our own with heavy whipping cream. We're going to use a cup. Now, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream is 3 grams of carbs. So the entire frosting we're making here is 6 grams of carbs. And we have to beat this with our hand mixer for about 5 minutes. And again, I am not adding anything to this. I am not adding any extra sugar, any extra swerve, any of that, because I do not like items to be overly sweet. When I see a product that's keto, low carb, diabetic friendly, PCOS friendly, and it tastes overly sweet, it is a huge turn off to me. Let me know if that's a turn off to you as well. It's just icky. When this is done, it's going to be like really fluffy and beautiful. It expands. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for about an hour or so, and that is going to be our topping. Ooh, remove that cake from the oven and put straw. Okay, yeah, I made a mistake. You see, in my order pickup, I had strawberries, but they kind of disappeared. So I did the next best thing, which was use blueberries. So please don't hate me. Please don't write nasty comments. It's an honest mistake. I wasn't mad at the person at pickup. I always say there's so many more things to get mad at. They forget. It's okay. But you put your heavy whipped frosting on here. This is delicious. It's amazing. And if you were too busy laughing at my jokes and smiling and forgot to write the ingredients down, scroll into the description box. And hey, if you're looking for low carb recipes and a little bit of laughter, subscribe to my channel. Much love, gang. Bye-bye.